Few people realize it, but a quiet revolution is underway in the world of electric cars. Imagine a motor that weighs just 13 kilograms, about 29 pounds, yet delivers a staggering 750 horsepower. Developed by Mercedes-Benz together with YASA, this innovation is dramatically shifting the conversation about electric vehicle efficiency and performance, and it could reshape the competition among the world's major automakers. Data from independent reviews and Mercedes-Benz itself show that this new motor is based on an axial flux design, a technological leap compared to the more common radial motors found in most electric cars today. Thanks to this approach, the motor achieves a far higher power density, meaning it generates more power from less weight and physical space. This matters because a lighter, more compact motor not only improves acceleration and handling, but also increases the car's total efficiency, potentially resulting in longer battery range and less energy waste while driving. One significant feature is the focus on sustainability throughout the engineering process. Mercedes-Benz has prioritized the use of recyclable materials and adopted manufacturing methods that make large-scale recycling much easier. In newly announced facilities, the company is now able to recover more than 96% of critical battery materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt for reuse, which doesn't just reduce waste, but also helps insulate the industry from global supply chain volatility, a growing concern as demand for electric cars rises worldwide. When we look at the competitive landscape, the implication is profound. Tesla, for example, has built much of its brand around cutting-edge electric motors and its leadership in efficiency and acceleration. While Tesla's motors are widely admired for their compact design and performance, industry experts have noted that the Mercedes YASA motor offers significantly higher power density, coming in lighter and with a more advanced cooling system. To put it in perspective, similar motors used by Tesla or Lucid weigh more than twice as much, but deliver a comparable, sometimes even lower horsepower output. This means Mercedes-Benz may have created a new gold standard for the world's high-performance electric drives. This isn't just about luxury cars or supercars. One reason this breakthrough has attracted so much attention is that this kind of motor can be adapted for a wide range of vehicles, from high-end sports cars to more affordable, everyday EVs.
Because the design is so efficient and scalable, it opens up possibilities for longer range on a single charge, smaller battery packs, and even more spacious car interiors. Beyond the technical specs, the ripple effects extend to industry and geopolitics. For the last decade, many have argued that Germany, once the undisputed leader in automotive engineering, was lagging behind both the US and China in the electric vehicle transition. American companies like Tesla and emerging Chinese manufacturers were grabbing attention for innovation, while European brands were often criticized as slow to adapt. This new generation motor from Mercedes-Benz suggests that German engineering still has a unique edge, focusing less on sheer volume and more on technical breakthroughs that could shape the industry's long-term direction. From an industrial perspective, this also matters because the automotive sector represents almost 5% of Germany's GDP and employs hundreds of thousands of workers. With European automakers facing strong competition from imported EVs, particularly from China, cutting-edge inventions like this are seen as vital for keeping Europe's auto industry globally relevant. On the American side, it's a moment to reflect on the ever-shifting landscape of manufacturing and innovation. While the U.S. continues to lead in EV adoption and market value, especially through Tesla's dominance, new players and technologies from around the world are challenging that position. Mercedes-Benz could eventually license this motor technology to other car makers or even keep it proprietary, potentially altering global EV supply chains and competitive strategies. It's also worth noting the environmental implications for the American consumer. As electric vehicles become a more common choice and regulatory pressure increases for greener, more efficient technology, advances like this could eventually push the entire industry toward more sustainable, resource-efficient designs, meaning potential benefits for everyone, from improved air quality to more reliable access to key battery materials. Of course, there are multiple perspectives to consider. American companies like Tesla and Lucid are constantly developing new technology as well, and the global EV market is known for rapid, unpredictable change. It remains to be seen whether Mercedes-Benz's innovation will be widely adopted, spark similar breakthroughs elsewhere, or even face new challenges, from cost issues to scaling production.
Still, when a legacy automaker like Mercedes-Benz introduces a motor that's lighter, more powerful, and more sustainable than anything currently used by the competition, it sends a clear message. The race for the future of electric mobility is far from decided, and the winners will likely be those who can blend innovation, sustainability, and responsible resource management. So, what do you think? Can Mercedes-Benz's new electric motor change the game for EVs in the United States? Or will American brands continue to lead through other innovations? Share your perspective in the comments and join the conversation about the exciting future of electric vehicles.